Your nonprofit's website is the first thing new donors see and where they start their journey with your organization. It needs to make a perfect first impression, and today I'm going to show you how to do that, starting with a domain that builds trust and down to the pages that would help your organization grow. First, you'll need to set up your nonprofit website. You can get started quickly and easily with hosting your horizons. Just describe what your organization is all about, and AI will code your website for you. From there, you can keep refining it with follow-up prompts until you're happy with how it all looks. And when you're ready, hit publish to get your website online and then connect a custom domain. I'll navigate you through that process step by step. Now let's start strong with the first thing people learn about your website, the domain. For a nonprofit website, .org is a clear winner. It's globally recognized as the domain for nonprofits and NGOs. .org carries real weight with your visitors, helping to strengthen trust and authority from the moment they see the name in their browser. The moment a donor or volunteer sees a .org address, they know you are more than just another website. That behind the web address is an organization with a mission. Plus, did you know that at least 50% of the proceeds from each domain registration go towards keeping the internet open and accessible for everyone? So behind your mission, there is another. Now, before you do anything else, check whether your organization's name is available as a .org. Head to Hostinger's domain search, type in the name you want, and see what comes up. If you're not sure what to go with, just type your organization's mission statement into the AI-powered domain name finder, and you'll see a couple of suggestions. Now, as soon as you mention you're a nonprofit, you'll see the first option is usually a .org. Grab it with the code HA10 for 10% off your domain registration. And once you have a domain, let's start building what lives at that address. Now, it's easy for nonprofit websites to get bloated with unnecessary information, especially when really they should be focused on one single thing: sharing your mission online. Your visitors typically have one of three goals. They want to understand what you do, donate, or get involved. Your job is to ignore the noise and make sure each of those paths is obvious to any visitor or any granting body that is reviewing your website. To do that, you're going to focus on having 5 pages on your website: homepage, about, programs and impact, donations, and contact. This is your first chance to make an impression, and you want to leave your visitors with a clear understanding of what you do, why it matters, and what they can do next. Your headline should be your mission statement in one clear sentence. Keep it really concise and straight to the point. You want any visitor to take one look at the page and immediately know what your organization is all about. DonorsChoose.org does this very effectively. Their homepage adapts the traditional elements of a landing page with the needs of a nonprofit organization. For a nonprofit's website, your headline should be your mission statement. Keep it clear, concise, and straight to the point. One sentence max. Any visitor should immediately know what your organization is all about. Next, you'll want to have one primary CTA. Typically, that is a donate button, but it could also be a call to volunteer or get involved in another way, depending on your organization's mission. Now, no matter what you're planning, make it clear what you want your visitors to do. Reduce the friction of making a decision as much as you can. And finally, you'll have your anchor. That can be a stat, a story, pretty much anything that serves your mission. For DonorsChoose.org, they have a location finder where visitors can find projects local to them. You want to tie your mission statement to your CTA with an element that is urgent and real. It's more compelling than a long paragraph explaining the benefits of your vision. All of this is located on your first page, above the fold. You're giving each visitor the maximum amount of information for the lowest effort, so you can earn enough trust for them to dig deeper. Make sure to keep all the information valuable and to the point. Once you have your homepage set up, it's time to get a little deeper. Visitors want to understand what is behind your organization and trust that they are doing work that is important to them. Donors and volunteers connect with people. So your About page should humanize all of the important work your nonprofit is doing. Focus on your origin story and your team. Make it easy for a donor or potential volunteer to see who is behind the work that motivates them to keep going. If you already have a media kit, this is a natural place to add it in. By the way, if your nonprofit relies on grants to keep things running, this is usually the page grant reviewers look at first. They want to see that you're currently active and who's involved in the organization, so make sure to keep this page up to date. Lead with leadership and follow up with your history and accountability. Include proof of your impact, like links to your annual reports or a breakdown of how you allocate funds. This keeps all the information open and in one single place, strengthening your grant applications and increasing trust in your organization. If you want to take your About page to another level, add an FAQ section. Honestly, this is so underused on nonprofit websites and is a great opportunity to drive more awareness to your site. A well-structured FAQ answers all the questions people might have about your organization from just one place on your site and can help drive traffic and trust in one. Now, showing off your programs and impact is how you turn skeptics into supporters. Your nonprofit's website shouldn't describe your intentions and just leave it at that. You need to connect what you do with the impact you have on a community. Your donors want to see this proof, and they want to know where their time and money will be going. This can be in the form of a visual portfolio or even one of your annual reports I just mentioned. But for it to be truly impactful, you should have concrete numbers or testimonials about the programming your nonprofit has done. Include photos, quotes, and any partnerships or awards that lend credibility to your organization. For example, "We donate solar-powered lights" doesn't tell me anything. However, for each 15 pounds donated to or fundraised for solar aid, one more solarite is directly added to a home, school, or clinic. It's concrete and connects the value of a single donation to its impact. I know, you probably expected me to mention donations first, but before you can get a visitor to donate, they need to understand where their money or time is going. Once they understand your mission and impact, add an easy way to contribute. Keep this page simple. You don't want to lose out on a donation because the process is overly complicated. Adding an easy payment method like Stripe eases the friction of donation. Now, to make things easy, I recommend having a few suggested amounts and connecting each of those to a specific impact. It removes the mental calculation of having to figure out how much to give, and again provides the donor with a visual for where their money is going. If your organization relies more on volunteers than donations, you can swap out the dollar figures with a time commitment instead, or direct them to a final page on your list. Now that people know about your organization and are motivated to donate, you want to get them involved to motivate them to continue supporting you. Adding a contact page is easy. Create a form with space for their name, email, and a brief message. The big decision you need to make is what happens after someone fills out that form. Being added to an email newsletter is very different from being added to a volunteer list and requires a different follow-up on your part. Now, before creating your website, ask yourself how you want potential donors to get in touch and how you want to stay in touch with them. Because the best designed contact page in the world won't help you if your follow-up is broken. Now, it's important to keep in mind that some of your visitors may have accessibility needs when navigating your website. You should make sure your website meets established accessibility standards, especially since it's something that donors and granting bodies look out for when vetting an organization. With Hosting Your Horizons, this is done automatically, but you could always use a tool like Google Lighthouse or Wave before you publish, just to make sure. Now, once you've got the basics down, these 3 additions can help you really boost your engagement and take your nonprofit website to the next level. But only add them if you have the bandwidth to maintain them consistently and when they make sense for your organization. A blog or impact stories can drive organic traffic to your site and create a point of connection with your donors. The catch is, writing one blog post and forgetting about the project altogether hurts more than it helps. If you can't commit to posting, a monthly email newsletter gets you the same relationship building without the added website management. A community page is underused on nonprofit websites, and I think it can be a really easy way to help build community between your supporters. A forum or Discord allows donors to become participants and help you build donor retention. Just like a blog, it does require some management, so only add this when you know you can actively engage with your community. An online store can help fundraise beyond donations and also reach an audience that doesn't necessarily know about your mission. Branded merchandise or items that reflect your cause are things your supporters can buy or gift and have the added bonus of creating outreach without effort. When done correctly, your nonprofit website can be a door into your organization and a community hub where a new visitor can become an advocate. Remember to use our code in the description box to get 10% off your .org domain registration with Hostinger. If you need a little bit more inspiration, then watch these videos on screen for how some other big organizations use .org to build trust with their audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.